Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Valentine's Day inspired video edit on CapCut PC. So I have this example video here. You can go to stickers and you can go to the love one or type in Valentine's Day here and choose any stickers that you want to add to your video, maybe like this one or whatever. And then you can also go to text and go to text templates. They have a few Valentine's Day text that you can add, as you can see. Whoops, I just adjusted the font size, sorry. Let me just go here and scale it down, and you can add it here maybe, and you can add an animation. So right click, create compound clip, then go to animation and select maybe the fade animation, or even this heart shaped animation, which is pretty cute. And yeah, that is basically it. You can add in more stuff. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!